In today's video, I will show you how to create classy one-stroke flower nail art. The one-stroke technique uses two colors in one brush to create a beautiful design. It will give you more ideas for your nail art. I will show you the beginner-friendly one-stroke 5-petal flowers. Let's dive in. For this tutorial, I'll be using high-quality products that are perfect for creating one-stroke flower nail art, especially the brushes. The description box below lists all the products used in this video. For the best results, I recommend using high pigmented gel paint. This type of paint provides vibrant colors and long-lasting results. First, I'm going to make base colors. I'm using two colors to create a vertical ombre effect. I only need a small amount of this process, so adjust the amount of the blue gel polish. I'm polishing the blue color starting from the left side of the nail. Then keep polishing towards the right side. Now grab the teal gel polish with a small amount. Start polishing from the right side towards the left side. The blended colors are visible in the center. For this case, before placing the brush into the gel polish bottle, remember to wipe it with a paper towel or lint-free wipe. You don't want to contaminate the polish. Cure for 30 seconds. Repeat for the second coat. Apply a small amount of blue gel polish from the left to the right side. Then apply a small amount of teal gel polish from the right to the left side. Cure for 30 seconds. I'm applying a matte gel top coat this time. The color has an inhibition layer, and the top coat prevents the flower on top from blending with it. Cure for 30 seconds. Cleanse with an alcohol and a lint-free wipe. Let's start drawing the flower. I'm using this square S brush. When you haven't used your gel brush in a while, often the bristles get hardened by drying out the gel in the brush. To fix this, gently clean the bristles with an orange wood stick and a clear gel. Then wipe it off with a lint-free wipe. Repeat as needed. The brush is clean and ready. Now let's load the brush. I want to put a white color on half of the brush and a magenta color on the other side. Dip into the gel at a 45-degree angle. You don't have to scoop too much, just dip into the white gel paint. Then flip the brush on the other side and dip it into the magenta gel paint. I blend it onto the palette. I repeat the step to load the paint nicely into the brush. When you blend the brush, move it up and down slightly to create the third color between those two. Now the brush is ready to draw petals. I started drawing it from the top. Move the brush at a 45-degree angle. I'm drawing a petal from the left to the right. Load the brush again. I started drawing the second petal. When drawing flowers, remember that the petals grow from the center. Repeat the steps for 5 petals. Load the brush in between the process. I decided to add more petals outside the flower. It is your preference to be creative. It's up to you. Cure for 30 seconds. I'm doing the second coat. If you are happy with one coat, you can skip this process. Clean the brush with a clear gel. And let's draw leaves. Load the brush with a light green and a dark green. Move the brush diagonally like this. I wanted the light green brighter, so I added white to the brush. Now much better. Cure for 30 seconds. I'm adding some details to the center of the flower using a liner L brush and yellow gel. Finish the details. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a non-wipe gel top coat. Cure for 30 seconds. Now you are all done. Let me know what you think. If you want to learn more basic gel nail art techniques, I have a link for my online course in the description. If you are a beginner, this course is all you need to learn how to start hand painting. And if you're going to check the brushes I used, I also have a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified when I release new videos like this one, and I will see you on the next one.